Soul sites are tailored specific to the LV customers.
To be a strategic partner, it's sustainable for our business growth.
When customer has a claim and calls LV, LV very quickly pass the claim on to us, and I think it's quite seamless.
It's a hugely great opportunity for us as a business to work alongside such a huge brand.
They work with us to try to remove the complexity from the whole process, and that's what we enjoy. It allows us then to focus on the customer.
EV been a hot topic, and it's really an exciting area of the business for us.
LV is at the forefront of electric vehicles. We have got many electric vehicle customers that we need to make sure have the right solution for them and their vehicle.
Because LV is such a large electric vehicle insurer, we'll see more of them, and with seeing more of them, you become more familiar, you become a better repairer.
Autorays was set up in 2016, largely by vehicle repairers, so they recognised a need to address the skills crisis. So LV have been instrumental in the growth of Autorays. They've been on board with us really since our inception.
We're doing very much taking them on the journey to lots of disciplines within the business, from painting a vehicle to repairing a vehicle.
All new cars have got so much technology within them, and what we're seeing is that apprentices that embark on these new programs that have been created learn that within the college or the training provider. So electric vehicles, all of the ADAS safety systems.
And LV were the first insurance company to take, put their hand in their pocket and actually do something about apprenticeships.